summon the new generation to take a step of courage to reach even higher. We stand at the threshold of a new beginning where our commitment to excellence evolves from building champions to forging a university, guaranteeing a world-class affordable future for Filipinos worldwide. The transition is not merely a change of status, but a testament to our enduring legacy and our visionary path toward a global future. Join us as we make history.
For decades, NCF has been the bedrock of Bicolano grit. We have mastered the art of building champions, but every champion knows the greatest race is the one against ourselves. Today, we set our sights higher. We aren't just looking at where we've been. We are looking at what we must become. The journey towards universityhood starts now. From building champions to forging a legacy, a university. This is our commitment to the Filipino people. This is our promise to the future. It's a climb we take together.
One vision, one goal,
One NCF.
one NUF.
Are you ready to begin the transformation? From building champions to forging a university.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nato College Foundation Incorporated. From building champions to forging a university. May we request everyone to please rise as we are led in the singing of the Philippine National Anthem, Prayer and NCF Hymn by the NCF Choral.
You may now be seated. Thank you very much. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. To all our distinguished guests, officials from the Commission on Higher Education, members of the Board of Trustees and Administrators, faculty members, alumni, students, partners, and friends of Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Once again, a pleasant afternoon to all of us. I am Antoinette Eduardo, and I will be your host for this momentous occasion. Today we gather not merely to mark time, but to mark history. We celebrate a vision taking form, a dream taking flight, and a legacy moving forward. Once again, welcome to Naga College Foundation's Universityhood launching with the theme From Building Champions to Forging a University. Let us now allow ourselves to be immersed in an artistic expression that reflects our journey, our culture, and our aspirations.
Ang mayamang tribo sa iba't ibang pulo sa Pilipinas ay nagpapakita ng kasaganahan at pagkakaisa tungo sa matagumpay na pamayanan. Ang ating kultura at tradisyon ay larawan ng ating lahi, pagpupugay sa ating yaman at kasarinlan, pagkilala sa ating pagkadakila, at pagpapaunlad sa ating kakayahan at kagalingan. Ito tayo bilang mga Pilipino, bilang mga Bicolano, bilang isang matagumpay na institusyong humuhubog ng kultura, husay at dunong. Pagpupugay sa ating tagumpay, patungo sa paghubog ng kabataang magtataguyod at bubuo ng ating pagkabansa. Makiisa sa layunin ng makabagong tagumpay, ang bagong NCF. Sama-sama tayong sumayaw at magdiwang sa saliw ng awit at kumpas ng galaw ng ating lahi.
Hinamnan mo, daghong yuta, di nagtagal, lupa'y ayaw nang mamunga. Aniana, 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 aniana. Inangkin mo ang di iyo, ika'y sakim at di ka na makatatakbo. Aniana, 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 aniana. Aniana, 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 Aniana.
Thank you very much, NCF, Culture, and the Arts. And now, from its humble beginnings, NCF has stood as a beacon of hope, learning, and service, rooted in excellence and driven by purpose. It has shaped generations of learners not only to succeed, but to lead, to serve, and to transform. As we have witnessed the performance by the NCF Center for Arts and Culture, may we reflect on the path we have taken and the greater future we now boldly embrace. NCF is deeply honored to recognize the distinguished guests and partners who have joined us today as witnesses to this historic transition. We are privileged to have with us the heads and representatives from our regional government sectors whose guidance ensures the quality of our public service and education. Engineer Janet Naag, the Supervising Education Program Specialist of CHED Region 5, Engineer Gaudencio John M. De Vera, the Regional Manager of the National Irrigation Administration, represented by Ms. Annalyn J. Escolano. Mr. Herbie B. Aguas, the Regional Director of the Department of Tourism Region 5. We also have Ms. Patricinio N. Felizmenio, the Provincial Director of the Department of Science and Technology. We are very grateful to all our provincial government leaders of Camarines Sur who continue to champion the development of our province. We also have, together with Ms. Patricinio N. Felizmenio, she will be represented by Ms. Angeline D. Otilia, the Senior Science Research Specialist. Police Colonel Virgilio O. Olalia Jr., the Provincial Director of PNP Camarines Sur. Mr. J. Percival S. Ablan, the Provincial Director of the Department of Trade and Industry. Ms. Julie Ann B. Barcelon, the Senior Agrarian Reform Program Officer of the Provincial Office. Investigation Agent 5, Adrian Fajardo, the Provincial Officer of Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency. We also have Representative, the Intelligence Officer 1 of Mark M. Recto. Intelligence Officer 2, Michael B. Eva. Mr. Rene B. Bacho, the Provincial Agrarian Reform Program Officer 1 of the Department of Agrarian Reform Camarines Sur. Mr. Jason S. Cabello, EA of the PARPO, Department of Agrarian Reform Camarines Sur. We are also joined by colleagues from the academe, the administrators, and representatives of our fellow schools and universities who share our vision for an empowered Bicolano youth. Let us acknowledge the presence of Father Aristotle C.D. S.J., the President of Ateneo de Naga University. Represented by Dr. Digna Alba, the Vice President for Higher Education. We also have Dr. Alberto N. Naperi, the President of Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, represented by Dr. Dariel A. Palmiano, VP for Research and Innovation. Dr. Sulpicio Alferez III, Principal of the Camarines Sur National High School, represented by Gemma O. Corporal, Assistant Principal 2, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, President of Bicol University. Dr. Charlie P. Nacario, President of Bicol State College of Applied Sciences and Technology. Mr. Abbas F. Villalon, Vice President for Administration and Finance of Bicol State College of Applied Sciences and Technology. Dr. Daves L. Tonga, Acting BOR Secretary of Bicol University. Our gratitude goes out to our local leaders from the 3rd District, City Government of Naga, and neighboring municipalities, our steadfast partners in community building. We are joined by the Congressman of Camarines Sur 3rd District, Congressman Nelson S. Legacion. Also, to represent Honorable Attorney Maria Leonor G. Robredo, the City Mayor of Naga City, we have the Vice Mayor of Naga City, Honorable Gabriel Bordado. The Municipal Mayor of LGU Bula, Honorable Manuel A. Ebasco. The Local Chief Executive of LGU Camaligan, Honorable Jano S.J. Ibardalosa Jr. The Municipal Mayor of LGU Pasacao, Honorable Nino Taico. Punong Barangay of Liboton, Honorable Ronald M. Luntok. Punong Barangay of Barangay Peña Francia, Jackie D. Villafuerte, Honorable Jackie. Councilor of Naga City, Honorable Nathan Serio. We also have the Municipal Mayor of LGU Bumbon. We have Honorable James Paul Ranin. And he will be represented by Honorable Amiel A. Bajado, the SB Committee Chair on Education. Thank you very much. We also recognize our partners from the banking and financial sector whose support fuels the institutional growth and sustainability of our foundation. We have Ms. Janina Romano, the manager of Land Bank Rotonda. Ms. Salve Regina B. Bobiles, the branch head of Albay Tobacco Branch, Philippine Savings Bank. Mr. Nomerlito A. Huachon, SAVP Head, Branch Banking Bicol, Development Bank of the Philippines. Mr. Leo Emmanuel Gagalak, the Account Officer of the Development Bank of the Philippines. And Ms. Maria Vivian B. Olaita, the OIC of Naga Lending Development Bank of the Philippines. And Attorney Dennis Gamaya, the Area Director of the BSP South Luzon Regional Office. Ms. Lawrence Vicencio of BSP South Luzon Regional Office. We also would like to recognize the presence of two esteemed alumni of NCF joining us today. Ms. Maria Elena H. Elvira, the President of GPTC Junior and Senior High School. Ms. Ronabel D. Tayo, the President of GPTC Elementary. Our journey is also made possible by our various partnered agencies and industry collaborators who bridge the gap between education and the professional world. Thank you very much. Mr. Erwin I. Marpuri, Agent in Charge or Head Agent of National Bureau of Investigation, represented by Sonny Rex R. Solano. Sir Ricardo B. Belmonte of the National Bureau of Investigation. We are also joined Dr. Emelita P. Menes, the President of Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Ms. Regina Melchor, the President of Camarines Sur Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Police Captain Mark Navarroza Spania, Acting Chief of Police, Magarao Municipal Police Station. Mr. Rene Gumba, Executive Director of the Public Safety Office. Mr. Roderick Reforzado, the Head of Metro Peso Public Safe Employment Service Office. Engineer Jerry Luz, the Manager of J. Marbella Construction and Supply. Mr. Florencio Mongosa Jr., the General Manager of Metropolitan Naga Water District. Mr. Ernie Cecilia, HR Consultant of NCF. Finally, we extend our spiritual appreciation to our guests from the clergy and the Archdiocese of Cáceres and of Our Lady of Peña Francia Parish who have provided the moral and spiritual foundation of our institution. Reverend Father Felipe B. Colvera III, the Parish Priest of Peña Francia Parish, thank you very much. And of course, last but not the least, let us acknowledge the Board of Trustees of Naga College Foundation, headed by the President, Mr. Mario C. Villanueva. We also have the Chairman of the Board of Trustees, Attorney Carlo C. Villanueva Jr. The members of the Board of Trustees, Dr. Roger P. Villanueva, Ms. Anne V. Hidalgo, Mr. Melvin S. Del Puerto, Mr. David Michael V. Padua, Mr. Dennis Franco M. Layug, and Dr. Stephen Jo T. Bonilla. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, we call on a leader whose vision continues to guide this institution toward greater heights. To deliver the welcome address, may we invite the President of Naga College Foundation, Mr. Mario C. Villanueva.
Thank you, Tonette. I've attended so many speaking engagements, pero ngayon na ako ninervyos. I feel either my heart is pumping too much, baka ma-stroke mamaya, iniiwasan ko yan. Or, parang gusto ko munang pumunta sa CR. But, welcome to our distinguished guests, esteemed members of the Board of Trustees, dedicated faculty and staff, proud students, valued stakeholders and partners, supportive alumni, and the entire Naga College Foundation Incorporated community. A pleasant and heartfelt afternoon to each and every one of you. Today we are gathered here to mark and witness a momentous milestone in the history of our institution, the official launch of our universityhood journey. This significant event is more than a ceremonial transition, but a culmination of decades of unwavering commitment to excellence, service, and transformative education. From our humble beginnings to this moment of evolution, NCF has remained steadfast in its mission to mold minds, nurture character, and inspire lives through knowledge and innovation. For decades, we have cultivated an environment rich in academic excellence, innovation, and community engagement. Our school has been nurturing ground for talented and curious minds, fostering growth and inspiring leaders who are making a difference in the world and building the foundation upon which a university can flourish. As we enter this evolution from a distinguished school to a vibrant university, we celebrate and embrace the opportunities and responsibilities that come with higher learning and broader impact. To our students, you are the heart and soul of this journey. The hoods you will be wearing as you graduate and leave this institution are not merely garments, but symbols of hard work, dedication, and dreams that have brought you here. Lead with integrity, seek knowledge relentlessly, and strive to make a positive impact in your communities. To our esteemed faculty and staff, your unwavering commitment and passion for education have laid the foundation for our success. Thank you for your tireless efforts and for believing in the potential of our students. Your role in this journey is invaluable, and together we will continue to empower future generations. To our valued stakeholders and partners, your support, whether in the form of visionary leadership, meaningful collaborations, or essential resources, will be instrumental in our progress and success. We are deeply grateful for your partnership, and we look forward to strengthening these connections as we navigate the exciting journey together. And to the community that surrounds us, your encouragement and engagement elevate our mission. Your belief in education and its transformative power inspires us to strive for excellence every day. And to our family, to the living second generation that represents the family culture that my grandfather, Lolo Mel, can we all give a big hand to one of the living second generation of 8 siblings, my Tita Emmy, as she was fondly called. Tayo naman, kaya pa tumayo? Yan. Si Tita Emmy. And of course, to my dad, unfortunately, he is in the hospital right now in Manila, but I'm sure he is in his prayer for the success of this event. And definitely to my cousins who are here with us, this success will not be possible if together we were not a team of the generations that was handed by my grandfather Lolo Mel. And of course, this include our chairman, Attorney Carlo, our treasurer and our vice president for finance and chief of finance officer, Dr. Roger. And of course, one of our board of directors also, Ma'am Ann Hidalgo. And sino ba bang pinsan ko nandito? Madilim, ha? Oh, Sir Mike. And of course, our Mr. Typhoon, si Mr. Mike Padua. Yung teamwork po namin that was instilled by our grandfather is the key. I'm not saying lagi kami magkakasundo. Nag-aaway-away din as a natural. But that keeps us growing. And the strength that we have after each event that we meet, that we quarrel, and or we gather together. As we embark on this universityhood journey, let us reaffirm our commitment to the values that will guide us: excellence in teaching and research, inclusivity that welcome diverse perspectives, and innovation that challenge the status quo. Together, we will forge a future filled with promise and possibility, inspire generations, and leave a lasting legacy in the landscape of higher education for generations to come. Thank you all for joining us in this pivotal celebration. Here's to new beginning. Let's all give everybody a big hand, and a big hand to our Lord who made all of this possible. By the way, before I end my welcome message, another 10-page po ito, allow me to share to you the newest innovation that NCF is proud about. Let me introduce to you our humanoids. These humanoids in education, primarily referring to humanoid robots and AI-driven avatars, are transformative and multi-faced. They are not just futuristic gadgets, but powerful tools that can reshape the teaching, learning, and the entire education environment. Moreover, humanoids hold transformative importance in education by enabling personalized, adaptive learning and boosting student engagement through interactive and one-on-one tutoring. They provide critical support in special education, like for autism therapy and language practice, and help develop 21st century skills like coding and human-AI collaboration by assisting teachers with routine tasks and embodying complex STEM concepts. Humanoids augment rather than replace human-led teaching, making education more inclusive, future-ready, and effective. Nervous yata yung mga humanoids.
Rising up, back on the street. Did my time, took my chances. Went the distance, now I'm back on my feet. Just a man and his will to survive. So many times it happens too fast. You trade your passion for glory. Don't lose your grip on the dreams of the past. You must fight just to keep them alive. It's deep, eye of the tiger, it's the thrill of the fight. Rising up to the challenge of our rival. And the last known survivor stalks his prey in the night. And is watching us all with the eye of the tiger. Face to face, out in the heat, hanging tough, staying hungry. They stack the odds till we take to the street for the kill with the skill. She was more like a beauty queen from a movie scene. I said, don't mind, but what do you mean? I am the one who would dance on the floor and around. She said, I am the one who would dance on the floor and around. She told me her name was Billie Jean, and she caused a scene. Then heavy hair turned with the eyes to dream of being the one who would dance on the floor and around. People always told me, be careful what you do. Don't go around breaking young girls' hearts. And mother always told me, be careful who you love. Be careful what you do. Cause the lie becomes the truth. Hey, Billie Jean's not my love. She just a girl that I am the one. But the kid is not my son. She says I am the one. But the kid is not my son. For 40 days and for 40 nights, I was on her side. But who can stand when she's in demand? Her schemes and plans.
Kaloy? Can you hear me? Yata ako nadinig, may ng battery. Kaloy, can you hear me? What can you say, Kaloy? Nahiya yata. Teka. Mario.
Education through technology and innovation. Today, I am proud to stand alongside Naga College Foundation, NCF, a premier educational institution in Naga City that has been shaping minds and building futures since 1947. NCF is known for its strong foundation in academic excellence, values formation, and its forward-looking approach to education, embracing innovation, technology, and global competitiveness. At Naga College Foundation, learning goes beyond classrooms. It is about preparing students to thrive in a rapidly evolving world, equipping them with the skills, character, and confidence to lead and serve. As we move forward together, we carry this shared vision. We are not just leaping into the future, we are already in the future. With Naga College Foundation, thank you, and welcome to the future of learning.
There you go. The future is here at Naga College Foundation. Before we end, these four humanoids will join the World Cup in Japan this year to represent the only competitor that will represent the Philippines in the World Cup in Japan. Be from Naga College Foundation. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much, Sir Mario. Indeed, the future is here at Naga College Foundation. Thank you also to those wonderful humanoids. And now, one of the pillars of this journey is the guidance and support of the Commission on Higher Education, whose commitment to quality education strengthens institutions like ours. We shall now hear a message from the Regional Director of CHED Region 5, Dr. Demetrio P. Anduyan Jr. Representing him today is the Supervising Education Program Specialist of the CHED Region 5, Engineer Janet N. Naag.
Thank you. Hindi pa ako robot, ha? I am just representing our director, who is in Manila right now, attending a very important activity. So, good afternoon, everyone. To our visionary and hardworking president of the Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Sir Mario C. Villanueva. To the distinguished members of the Board of Trustees, I am humbled by the presence of my co-employee and officials from the government agencies, and also to our elected officials from the province of Camarines Sur and other municipalities, to other school officials, honored and distinguished guests, college deans, department heads, faculty members, our dear students, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I saw many familiar faces to the different presidents of the state colleges and universities. Alam ko yung pinagdaanan ninyo para maging university, yun na rin ang pagdadaanan ngayon ng Naga College Foundation. Don't worry, sir. We are behind you all the way. And I would like to mention that you are the first college to be converted into university that will go to the process of rigorous evaluation. So we are happy, sir, and we are very proud of you. So on behalf of the Directorate and staff of the Commission on Higher Education, Regional Office 5, headed by our Regional Director, Dr. Demetrio P. Anduyan Jr., we extend his sincere apology for not being with you today. We extend our heartfelt and warmest congratulations to each and every one of you for this new milestone in your institution. Today, we stand at a powerful intersection of history and possibility. Today is not just a milestone. It is a moment of meaning. Today, we honor a journey, one that began with a vision, sustained by perseverance, and strengthened by faith in education as a force that transforms life. Naga College Foundation did not grow overnight. Its story was written patiently in classrooms where ideas were nurtured, in hallways where dreams quietly took shape, and in the unwavering commitment of educators who believe that excellence is built step by step. I would like also to mention that I took my education units here, so I passed the board exam for teacher education. This journey towards universityhood is not simply about expansion or recognition. It is about becoming more responsive to the needs of our learners, becoming more courageous in shaping minds and character, becoming a stronger institution anchored in purpose, values, and service. Universityhood is not simply a new title. It is a great responsibility to nurture critical mind and thinking, to lead innovation, and to produce graduates who will serve not only their professions, but their communities and nation. Every student who walked through these doors carried hope. Every teacher who stood before a class carried responsibility. Every administrator, staff member, and partner carried the weight and the promise of a shared dream. There were challenges. There were moments of uncertainty, but what carried Naga College Foundation forward was resilience, unity, and a deep belief that education must always move forward. Even when the path is not easy, but being converted to universityhood by evaluation, we will all enjoy the following benefits. For the institution, higher academic status and credibility. Child recognition as a university signals stronger academic standards, governance, and facilities. It boasts prestige nationally and internationally. Next is the stronger research mandate. Universityhood formally recognized the institution as a research-producing body, not just a teaching institution. We have also better access to funding and grants. Easier eligibility for CHED, government, and international research grants, faculty development funds, and partnerships. Greater institutional autonomy, more freedom in curriculum design, academic policies, and internal governance, but within the CHED rules. For faculty and staff, expanded research opportunities, more support for publications, conferences, and funded research. Improve faculty development, more chances for scholarships, training, promotions, and advanced studies. Attracts higher caliber faculty. University status helps recruit and retain professors with strong academic and research backgrounds. For students, wider program choices, access to graduate degrees, specialized courses, and interdisciplinary programs, improve academic quality, better facilities, libraries, labs, and research exposure. Sir, thank you for being the first university to enhance your curriculum through the AI. Nakakatuwa po yung mga robot, humanoid. Stronger degree recognition. A university diploma often carries more weight for employment, licensure, and further studies, local and abroad. For the community in Bicol region, local development hub, universities often lead an innovation, extension services, and community-based research. And lastly, economic and social impact. More students, more jobs, partnerships, and knowledge-driven growth in the area. As the big picture, CHED doesn't just rename a school. It confirms that the institution has met strict standards in faculty qualifications, research output, facilities and libraries, governance and financial stability, and program quality. So, universityhood means recognition, responsibility, and opportunity all at once. As we stand on the threshold of universityhood, we do so with humility and confidence. Humility to acknowledge the work still ahead. Confidence to know that the foundation has been laid, strong, tested, and ready. To the students, you are the heart of this journey. Your aspirations give this institution its reason to rise. To the educators and staff, your dedication is the quiet strength behind every success. To the community and partners, your trust and support have made this moment possible. Today, we launch not just a new chapter, but a renewed commitment to academic excellence, to holistic formation, and to shaping graduates who are not only skilled, but grounded, ethical, and compassionate. The road to universityhood continues, but Naga College Foundation does not walk it alone. It walks it with purpose, it walks it with history, and it walks with hope. May this moment remind us that when vision meets perseverance, transformation follows. Congratulations on this remarkable step forward. Their journey continues and the future is ready. So congratulations.
Thank you very much, Engineer Janet. May we please invite you to be on stage for the awarding of the Certificate of Recognition. Joining President Mario is Attorney Carlo and Sir Roger Villanueva. Allow me to read the citation. This plaque of recognition is presented to Dr. Demetrio P. Anduyan Jr., CESO 3 of the region of the Commission on Higher Education Region 5, in profound gratitude for his distinguished presence, represented by Engineer Janet N. Naag, and unwavering support during the official launch of our journey to universityhood. As a champion of excellence and a visionary leader, the commitment of CHED to the Bicolano people serves as a guiding light for our institution as we embark on this historic chapter. This recognition is a testament to our shared vision and transformative education and sustainable community development. Given this 13th day of February 2026 at the Tanghalang Melchor Naga College Foundation, Naga City, signed Mario C. Villanueva, the President of NCF. It's wonderful to know that Engineer Janet N. Naag is a product of NCF. Indeed, excellence is built step by step, as mentioned by her. So as we move forward, let us celebrate this significant milestone through movement and artistry. Let us now enjoy a performance by the NCF Dance Sport Champions.
nagtatanong kung susundan ko siya, dahil ang puso ko ay nabihag niya. Alam mo bang minamahal ko siya, at tunay ang aking nadarama. Kahit ako'y nagmumukhang tanga, ay ayos lang basta kasama siya. Kahit sabihin pa ng iba, nababaliw na akong talaga. Kahit merong ibang nagcha-cha-cha, nagrurumba, nagsasalsa, pwedeng sabihin nyo to sa kanya. Ang puso ko'y nahihirapan na. Ano pa ba ang pwede kong gawin na uubra upang maakit siya? Palagay kaya ako ng tato, magpatubo ng balbas sa nguso, magpalaki ng muscle sa braso, magpadagdag ng puwet kay belo. Buksan mo, papasukin ako, papasukin ako, bulaklak para sa'yo. Ano bang gusto mong gawin ko para mahalin mo? Oh, eto ka na naman, umiiwas ng tingin. Laging nagtatanong sa mga palit ng kadungaw sa bintana. Ilan mo ba magkabubak? Ipaliwas sa dilim ang natatanging kaganda, nababalot ng hiwagang bumalina sa akin kahit na ika'y hindi ko maintindihan. Nais na sila na yung mga matang na nahihirap ang basta. Piling nga na ako sa estero, pinagulong puso ko. Natutulete sa'yo, di alam kung bakit ba ako nabighani sa iyo. Di alam kung bakit ba ito kahit na alam ko mukhang wala rin naman itong pagtutungan. Kahit na tila ang lahat ng oras sa'yo, hindi titigil hanggang ako na ang dahilan ng iyong ngiti misteryoso. O araw-araw na lang hanggang sa hangin, ilang hapit pa ba ang isasulan? Wala na bang hangganan? Kailan mo ba mapapansin? Nais na sila yung iyong mga nagkakating pinanatinig nga lang sa estero, pagpunan ng puso ko. Natutulete sa'yo, hindi alam kung bakit ka ko nabighani sa iyo. Hindi alam kung bakit bago kahit na alam ko mukhang wala rin naman itong patutunguhan. Kahit pa tila ang lahat ng oras sa'yo, hindi titigil hanggang ako ng dahilan ng iyong ngiti misteryoso. Nung namatay ng karatarap ko, habang nagkalaban ang hiwagan ang liwanag at ng hindi. Lang na mawagando na ikaw na rin lang inarap ko yun. Di mapipaliwala na kung bakit nabighani sa iyo. Walang rason, walang pero, basta ito ay totoo. Ilang kalaing nagkakapiling ko ang sakatulan mo. Tila isang ekantong laging hinahanap-hanap ko. Sino tanging ikaw na tutulungan kahit pa sa naman na aking oras sa'yo. Makapaniwalang ako ng lahat ng iyong ngiti misteryoso. Misteryoso. Misteryoso.
Thank you, NCF Dance Sport Champions. There you have it. As we move forward, the journey towards universityhood is a community effort. And so at this juncture, we are honored to have with us a leader who plays a role in the advancement of education and regional development. He stands as a key partner in our collective mission to define the future of Bicol. May we invite to the podium the representative of the 3rd Legislative District of Camarines Sur, Honorable Nelson S. Legacion.
Maraming na paghapon po sa Indogabos. Good afternoon, everyone. Nililipot po ako, kaya nagpakuha po ako ni jacket. Pero dahil ko po aram kung ang dahilan kaya nililipot, either dahil maliputon talaga, matindi ang aircon sa laog, o kaya baad, kinakabahan po ako. At any rate, before my short message, let me first acknowledge, of course, the President of the Naga College Foundation, Sir Mario Villanueva, the Chairman of the Board of Trustees, my Panyero, Attorney Carlo Villanueva Jr., and all the other members of the board. Gabos na bisita po ngunyan, gabos ng mga prominenteng individual, yaon na digdi sa tanghalang Melchor. And siyempre, ang dating congressman kan Tercer Distrito, kan Camarines Sur, now the Vice Mayor of Naga City, Vice Mayor Gabby Bordado Jr. Naga College Foundation, and this I know for a fact, has achieved so much, especially within the last few years. I saw it firsthand. I witnessed it, especially during my incumbency as Mayor of Naga City. Pambihira po si growth, exponential, and to think that there was this great challenge facing the education sector. Remember COVID-19? Habang may inaatubang na siring na challenge, pero ang Naga College Foundation keep on expanding, keep on increasing insofar as student population is concerned, and improving in all aspects of what it does. The other year, kaulay ko po si Sir Mario Villanueva, and ipinaaram po sa kuya na araman ko itong plano mag-expand to put up a campus, Naga College Foundation campus in the municipality of Calabanga. Not only that, ito pang sports arena. And I was so excited that even when I was not yet elected as congressman, nangako na po ako, I will assume all the needed infrastructure requirement outside the premises of the school, just to be able to be of help in ensuring that the kind of education that Naga College Foundation brings and symbolizes will reach that area to benefit not only the residents of the municipality of Calabanga, but also Bombon, Tinambak, and even Siruma. And I think with the planned construction of a bridge that will connect Calabanga and Cabusao, even that part of the first district will also be benefited by the establishment of Naga College Foundation Campus in Calabanga. Kaya, truly, the college has done so much in helping transform the lives of so many individuals. Aram taman po ang kakayahan kan edukasyon, especially in it being able to break the cycle of poverty na kadalasan nai-experiensyahan kan sa tuyang mga estudyante asin kan mga pamilya na sa inda pong pinaghahalian. Kaya saludo po ako sa Naga College Foundation, and there is never any doubt in my mind that anytime after passing the rigorous requirement according to Engineer Janet Naag, palakpakan pa po si Ma'am Naag, kan Commission on Higher Education, na malulusutan po kan Naga College Foundation with flying colors. And I do look forward to seeing Naga College Foundation becoming a university and continue to help, especially the poorest of the poor. So good luck, and salamat for helping us, those in the public service, develop not only the individual persons but also our communities. May mga nag-aapot paminsan, bako po patungkol sa Andaya Highway. Dahil kabalingon niya sa topic. Pero if you come to think of it, si mga mauuswag na lugar, yaon po dyan, si mga mararahay po na eskwelahan. And I think the city of Naga, kumbaga, ansaro sa pinagkakautangan kan pag-asenso kan syudad, iyo po ang Naga College Foundation. And masunod na magkakaigwang utang sa Naga College Foundation ang banwaan po kan Calabanga. We are seeing Calabanga as a developing municipality in the 3rd District. And one of those that will be, I think, will be responsible for that development, Naga College Foundation, Naga University. So, ngunyan pa lang, congratulations na po. Maray na pagkahapon.
Thank you very much, Congressman Nelson. May we invite you on stage po, President Mario, Attorney Carlo, and Sir Roger. Allow me once again to read the citation. This plaque of recognition is presented to Honorable Nelson Legacion, 3rd Legislative District of Camarines Sur Congressman, in profound gratitude for his distinguished presence and unwavering support during the official launch of our journey to universityhood as a champion of excellence and a visionary leader, his commitment to the Bicolano people serves as a guiding light for our institution as we embark on this historic chapter. This recognition is a statement and testament to our shared vision of transformative education and sustainable community development. Signed, Mario C. Villanueva, President of NCF. Once again, thank you very much. Honorable Nelson S. Legacion of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur. The journey towards universityhood has been strengthened by the enduring partnership with the city government of Naga and NCF, representing the Honorable Maria Leonor G. Robredo, the Mayor of Naga City, is a leader who shares our commitment to the city of Naga. To share a message of solidarity on behalf of Mayor Lenny, it is our honor to call to the podium Honorable Gabriel H. Bordado Jr., the Vice Mayor of Naga City.
Thank you, Madam Eduardo, the most famous master of ceremonies in the Bicol region. My successor the former mayor of Naga City, and now the congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Attorney Nelson Ligacion. We have President Mario Villanueva, Attorney Carlo Villanueva, along with the other members of the Board of Trustees, including my friend and my classmate, the legendary Melvin Del Puerto. Teachers and non-teaching personnel, students, the very special guest, ladies and gentlemen, before I proceed to the message of the Honorable former Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines, and now the City Mayor of Naga, and hopefully again, she will run for President of the Republic of the Philippines, Attorney Leni Robredo. Let me tell you some things. My mother, a graduate of the University of the Philippines, Diliman, was one of the pioneering teachers of Naga College. And there was a time during the late 1970s when the founder of Naga College, Dr. Melchor Villanueva, gave me the go signal to teach sociology here in Naga College. It was a great honor for me. And then I became a politician. So, allow me to read the message of the mayor and hopefully the future president of the Republic of the Philippines, Attorney Leni Robredo. My warmest congratulations to the Naga College Foundation Incorporated family on your universityhood launching. Looking at your theme, from building champions to forging a university, I see more than just a name change. I see the fruit of decades of sipag at tiyaga. I see the faces of the many students who have walked through your halls, those who came in with nothing but dreams and walked out as champions, ready to take on the world. Ining pag-asenso ka Naga College Foundation, bako sana ini para sa eskwelahan. This is a win for Naga and for every Bicolano. This is the power of our shared dreams. Sa kabos na nakatindog sa likod kantakulang kapangganahan na ini, the administration, the faculty, the alumni, and the students, pirming tandaan ang satuyang pag-uswag dapat inklusibo. Progress is only true when no one is left behind. By becoming a university, you are widening the verge, the path to excellence. You are proving that the local institution rooted in our own soil can stand tall and compete with the best. This is what empowerment looks like. It is the conviction that our origins do not limit our destinations. As you transform into a university, may you continue to forge not just champions in sports or academics, but champions of character and service. Let your excellence be defined not just by your titles or your buildings, but by your service to the people. Be the university that listens. Be the university that serves. Be the university that leads with a heart. Once again, congratulations, Naga College Foundation, and soon to be the Naga University Foundation. Maabalos tabi sa Indugabos.
Thank you very much once again, Vice Mayor Gabriel Bordado Jr. May we invite you, sir, to be on stage together once again with Sir Mario Villanueva, Attorney Carlo, and Sir Roger. Indeed, progress is only true when no one is left behind. And now, allow me to read the citation. This plaque of recognition is presented to the local government unit of Naga City in profound gratitude for its unwavering support during the official launch of our journey to universityhood. As for its commitment to the Bicolano people, serves as a guiding light for the institution as we embark on this historic chapter. This recognition is a testament to your shared vision of transformative education and sustainable community development. Thank you very much once again, Vice Mayor Gabriel Bordado, representing the Mayor of Naga City, Honorable Maria Leonor G. Robredo. Indeed, the institution ensures that when students come here, they walk with dreams and they walk out as champions. Champions, as mentioned by Honorable Vice Mayor, champions of service and of leadership. Now, from vision to action, from aspiration to institution, this segment captures the story of our becoming. Let us now witness the journey towards NUF.
Every university begins with a dream to expand minds, elevate standards, and shape the future. For NCF, this journey has been defined by resilience, innovation, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. From building champions in academics, leadership, culture, and service, we now take a bold step towards forging a university that responds to the demands of the times and the needs of generations to come. This is not the end of a journey. This is the beginning of a greater calling.
In 1947, a seed was planted in the heart of Bicol by the man who saw the great need for quality yet affordable education for the Bicolanos. For decades, we were the home of the champions, molding the grit of the Bicolano spirit. But champions never stay stationary. To serve a changing world, we realized we needed to grow.
Our journey from building champions to building a university began when Lolo Mel established this institution on a foundation of grit and service. Today, we nurture that sacred trust to make his vision a reality. We are expanding our mission to serve the global Filipinos, and our transition into a university is a strategic initiative to position our graduates at the forefront of the global economy. By becoming a university, we provide our stakeholders a bigger coverage, higher standards, and a legacy that transcends future generations that we'll be proud of.
For stability and sustainability on enrollment, faculty, NTP, courses, research, linkages, outreach, and technology.
From a college that teaches to a university that discovers, innovates, and leads.
We have outgrown our walls, not only in size, but in our capacity to lead and transform. Our transition from a college to a university is our gift to the community and a commitment to the future. By elevating our status, we ensure that every graduate carries an identity that commands respect on a global stage. Join us as we embrace our destiny as a university. The home of champions has finally claimed its rightful throne.
It was a journey of 1,000 steps. Upgrading the facilities. Empowering the faculty members. And expanding the research capability. Today, the dream starts to take shape. The colors are brighter. The mission is broader. NUF, the home of the new global Bicolanos. Join us as we write the next chapter. NUF, a university ensuring a world-class, affordable future for Filipinos worldwide.
NUF. That was a truly inspiring look at the evolution of our institution. That journey, marked by resilience and a shared vision, brings us to where we are today, standing at the threshold of a new era. Having seen how far we have come, we are now even more prepared for the heights we are yet to reach as Naga University Foundation. To further celebrate this historic milestone, we present a special performance by the NCF Center for Arts and Culture.
Pasasalamat sa matagumpay na ani. Isang ritual na kumikilala at nagpapahalaga sa pagkakaisa at pagsisikap upang magkaroon ng masaganang ani. Ang paghahandog ng pasasalamat at pag-aalay para sa isang masaganang selebrasyon, kasaganahan at pananagumpay. Isang pagdiriwang ng pagkilala na pagkadakila. Dala ang sama-samang paggawa at nagkakaisang hangarin. Ialay natin ng buong lakas at husay ang ating tagumpay bilang nag-iisang NCF.
Once again, thank you very much, NCF Center for Arts and Culture. As we reach one of the most meaningful parts of today's ceremony, we are reminded that universityhood is not achieved by structure or title alone. It is built on shared responsibility, collective vision, and unwavering commitment. At this moment, our stakeholders representing leadership, governance, faculty, staff, students, alumni, and partners will take part in the Pledge of Commitment through the signing of the Wall of Commitment. Each signature placed is not merely a name written down, but a promise to uphold excellence, integrity, and service as we move forward on our journey toward becoming a university. May we now call on our stakeholders to come forward as we begin this pledge. To lead us in this historic signing, may we have the honor of inviting the following to the stage: the members of the NCF Board of Trustees, Commission on Higher Education Region 5, led by Engineer Janet N. Naag, Honorable Nelson S. Legacion, Camarines Sur 3rd District Representative, and Honorable Gabriel H. Bordado Jr., the Naga City Vice Mayor. Following the conclusion of the ceremony, the commitment wall will be made available at Casa Lourdes. We warmly invite our partners from the various government offices, schools, and private sectors to visit the area and affix your signatures as a symbol of our continued partnership. Let us all be part of this legacy as one community of champions.
The Wall of Commitment. We, the stakeholders of Naga College Foundation Incorporated, do solemnly pledge our dedication, time, effort, and resources to support our transformation into the Naga University Foundation. We commit to a shared vision of developing a premier global learning ecosystem, championing humane technology, and uplifting lives and communities. Building the future on a foundation of excellence, we vow to nourish this growth with hard work, academic rigor, and a heart of service. We further pledge to contribute to the institution as sanctuary of learning, where every Filipino can thrive. As we transform, we remain steadfast in our mission, providing quality and affordable education to Filipinos worldwide. Today, we do not simply witness a ceremony. We affirm a covenant. Each signature on this wall of commitment represents belief. Belief in the vision of NCF. Belief in the power of education to transform lives. And belief in the shared future as a university. This wall stands as a testament to unity. A reminder that universityhood is forged not by one, but by many. Bound together by purpose, excellence, and service. As these commitments are signed, may they echo beyond this hall and guide every step of our journey forward.
There you have it. Thank you to our stakeholders for this powerful affirmation of support and commitment. May this wall stand not only as a record of today, we present of today, but as a constant reminder of the responsibility we carry together. There you have it, the wall of commitment. As we conclude this historic gathering, let us celebrate not only what NCF has achieved, but what it is becoming. To cap this momentous occasion, we present the performance, once again, of the NCF Center for Arts and Culture.
Bilang pagdiriwang ng ating bagong tagumpay, bilang pagkilala sa ating dunong at husay, at bilang tanda ng ating sama-samang pagtanaw sa mas makulay at mas masaganang hinaharap, halina't umawit at umindak ng may galak, kasama ang buong tauhan ng Back to School sa kanilang Salamat, Salamat Musika!
Pasalamat ka't may awit na kakantahin. Sa mga indayog tayo'y napapasaya, at sa labis na ganap ay napapasigaw. Wow! Ang mga hirot sa puso ay lumilipad, ang mga ngiti ay natutupad.
Ng isip
Ay sapat upang mabuhay ang daigdig.
ang magagandang tanaw, ang mga ulang malalim.
Laging din upang tayo'y alipin.
Kaninang kayamanan di madadala,
Ang kaganda ang pansamantala.
ang matahimikan ba ay magagawa? Ang nadarama. Salamat, salamat musika. Lahat ng panahon, maasahan ka. Salamat, salamat musika. Ikaw munting mundo ay napapasira. Salamat, salamat musika. Lahat ng panahon, maasahan ka. Salamat, salamat musika. Itong munting mundo ay napapasira. Salamat musika.
Salamat musika.
Salamat musika.
Once again, NCF Center for Arts and Culture. Thank you very much, and God bless you all. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being part of this defining chapter in the life of Naga College Foundation Incorporated. May today remind us that the future of education is forged by vision, unity, and commitment. Once again, this has been the Universityhood launching of NCF. Good afternoon and mabuhay. Yus mabalos po.